Hey, hello people. So in this video I am going to be talking about emotions. So emotions is the thing which is building you. You have changed, you have transformed over the years. So it is the emotions who is changing you. This change is very important in your life. So we need to take care of our emotions. So guys, are you excited for the video? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section. And also type the learnings in the comment section as it locks into your subconscious mind. So guys, to begin with, there are three stages of our human life journey. The first stage is where people are ignorant of their emotions. They become the victim. Yes, this is true. And so, the most important thing that we need to understand is that we need to get out of this stage as soon as possible. So, believe in yourself, believe in the higher power, and get out of this stage. So, the next stage. This is a stage where you are in a journey, you have control with your emotions, but the thing is, it will trigger other people. For example, if you love someone and that person doesn't love you back, then you fight and destroy the relationship. This means that you give the control of your emotions to the other person. This may seem very contradictory to your situation, but the thing is that for real growth in life, you need to get out of this. We also feel that we are in other people's control. So stop this. And the third stage. In this stage, you have your emotions in your control. Nothing, literally nothing can control you. No thoughts, no emotions, no materialistic things can control you. No thoughts, emotions, nothing should disturb you. So, how to understand what disturbs you? The answer is sadness. How many of you are in full energy for all the 31 days, or for all the 24 hours, or if not for 24 hours, then at least for 16 hours, 8 hours, 2 hours? Think about it. What happens to you for the remaining time? Life is defined by you. Make sure you are on the right path. Do not go in the low vibration. So, if you want to change your destiny, then preparation is required. So, it's like this: energy remains the same, but it's you who needs to become powerful. So, prepare your container. So, if you are aligned with your energies, then it is possible that you can manifest anything you want. The thing that matters is your preparation. So think about this, get perfectly aligned. The next thing is, are you passionate for your life? If yes, then you will create wonders in your life. Now, talking about your container. So let's understand this. For example, a small glass of water asks for 5 liters of water. Then how is it possible? So the thing is, you can't receive from the universe what you can't handle. So you need to build your capacity, you need to build your vessel. So you can build your container through yoga. Yoga is good for all spiritual, mental and physical things. And through meditation. What stops from manifesting what you want? The answer is, no one is stopping you. It is you who are resting or not taking actions, so you are stopping very early. So, this is the beauty of energy. Literally nothing can stop you. Please remember this. You can take any kind of decision. It's your life. As you grow in your life, if you become clear with your purpose, then you will achieve anything in your life. The universe is merciful. Be clear what you want from here. The real transformation will occur when you become an action taker. Self-development is the only thing on this planet. Everything else is going on. The world is running before you were there, and it will be running after you leave this world. But you need to realize this, that you are here for yourself. So guys, it's everybody's individual call. It's completely on you how you understand this and apply it. But work on this. It may take months, or years. I take accountability of my existence. Say this to yourself and then go deep into your spiritual development, because the ones who go deep into themselves will achieve everything in their life. So, guys, start taking the action, build yourself a powerful container, because you have the power to manifest all your dreams, desires, and goals. So, this was all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Do like, share, and subscribe, because I am dedicated to making more and more of law of attraction videos to help you change your life.